What's up, everyone? QuellaTheCreative here, wishing you a happy 2021 and a happy new year. So I know I'm not the only one that's wondering at the end of each year, what do I do with my previous planners and calendars, even when I love the designs? But I'm here to share some fun and useful repurposeful tips for you. First things first is to grab any of those foil stickers, those paper stickers that you may have enclosed in your old planners. You can use these for your new planner as well as your new calendar. Even if they don't exactly go with the aesthetic of your new planner, it's good to have these in your arsenal, just something to reference back to in case you may need it for your next project. Who knows? The next thing would be take those note pages. You can use those to jot down any future notes for your desk, as well as take those calendar and those planner overviews. You can use those for your office, your car, work, any resourceful pages like this budget tracker. I've seen a fitness tracker. I've seen what I eat in a day. These are always helpful that you can always use later. And also you can copy them if you like them that much. Also, any monthly quotes and sayings, you can also cut these out and use them in your vision boards or just as words of affirmations around your office on your wall. But last but not least, recycle. Take out any confidential information that you may have written in these planners and be sure to recycle them with your local recycling bin. Please shred any papers as well. But the most important and useful thing to help the environment is to recycle them to make more pretty planners. Thank you all for watching this repurposing and planning video.